In the news today, police under close arrest for assaulting his partner. A police rank is under close arrest for allegedly assaulting his partner in the wee hours of the morning in Region 3. The rank was placed under close arrest following a report by his partner that she had been assaulted by him earlier in the night. He remains in custody pending investigations. Car slams into fence at Mon Repos, East Coast Demerara. Driver was speeding and lost control of the car at the time of the accident according to eyewitness. Luckily no one was injured. Flooding in some sections of the capital city, Georgetown today following hours of heavy rainfall. Borda market flooded. Persons had to use push cart to get in and out of the market.
Oh, you reaching there, boy? Where's the scunt is this? What's Guyana? Overboard. Guyana nice bad, boy. Overboard.
Oh,
Guyana real nice.
well, even wasn't any fucking truck.
Like you in the old too.